everyone, today we are going to learn about a features. This is called Extrude boss. This tool is so much important in a design sector. Extrude boss mainly used to emboss something. For extrude boss we need a sketch, then we need to extrude this. So let's create a sketch first. So we select a front plane, make it normal, create a sketch. We just take a rectangle, nothing more. Just take rectangle, select OK, and give the dimension 50 and 40 and select this for OK. Now we can create a solid body from this sketch. So click features and click extrude boss. Okay. Normally this is auto selected. There are two features in extrude boss. One is directly make a solid body, or another is thin features. In this picture we can see this is a directly generated solid body. We can give the thickness here, so we can change the thickness in 20 millimeter. For rotating like this, we need to press the midpoint of our mouse, the ball, press the ball, and you can see this is moving. Okay, so make it OK. Now this is a solid body. Now we are going to see another features of extrude boards. This is thin features. For this we need another sketch, make normal, and create another sketch. Just simply drag, create another sketch, make it OK, and you can directly select the features and extrude boss. So you can see here another option. This is thin features. Click here. You can see the thickness is generated around the sketch, and we can change the thickness or height from here. Just select 5 millimeter. It is going to more thin, and we can increase the height also from here, 30 millimeter. And we also can change the direction from here. This is reverse direction. Also this, and select OK. Now we are going to learn another option of extrude boss. For this, select OK. Sorry, we can select the front plane also, make it normal, and sketch. We can generally copy the sketch by convert entities. So select the face and select chain and make it OK. You can see there are another sketch generated. Now select again the extrude boss tool, and you can see the solid body is generated from this plane, the front plane, but we can also generate it from this plane. For this we can select this surface. You can see there are this solid body selected from this surface. Also we can select this option. There are offset option. Give the offset from give the offset at 50 millimeter. Okay, you can see the offset generated from 50 millimeter from this front plane. We can also give the direction the mid plane. This 70 millimeter is divided into two half. This is 35 and this is 35. and we can also use the taper option from here. You can see, if we give the taper option, the both side is reduced. Make it okay. This was the previous generated solid, that's why this look like that. Now we are going to learn the contour, use of the contour. For this we need to create another sketch. For this we need to create a sketch and the sketch. You can see we are making so many rectangle. Imagine, and okay. If we need just one extrude here from here, we can use the contour option. For this, select boss and select contour, and we just want 3 solid. You can see there are 3 solid body automatically generated, but we need just one. For this we can select the contour and select this one only. Also you can use this one also, so make it okay. You can see there are just 2 sketches is going to be extruded, but one is none. That's all about the extrude boss tool. In next we will learn about the revolve boss and sweep boss. Thank you so much. Please subscribe for the next update.